Welcome to this tutorial on how to restart a program on Brother TC S2C. First you need to make sure you are in the correct mode, in MEM, and then in Program. Now you need to find the correct place to restart. You need to have a unique block number at every tool change, like N10, N20, N30 and so on. Now you need to scroll down with the page down button until you are where you need to restart. As you can see, my restart number is N20. Press the RST or reset button to get the program back to start. Press F1, program start. In my case, I now have to type 0020 and then press the button UB/enter. Now the program will jump down to N20. You can press the start to run the program. A little safety tip: turn down the rapid travel and the feed rate, because when you press start, the machine will move to the last known position with the previous tool, so be careful when you restart. And this is how you restart the Brother TC S2C. Good luck on your machining.